Foreclosure is when a creditor that has a mortgage or lien against your home seeks to foreclose on the home because the debt is not being paid. Some of the ways to prevent foreclosure is, if you know that you're behind or about to get behind, to reach out to the creditor, see if you can work out arrangements to restructure the debt, to maybe defer some payments. Oftentimes creditors offer loan modification programs to where if you are behind, to avoid the foreclosure, they'll modify the loan. As long as you can make those payments, normally you can get the loan modified. Filing for bankruptcy can prevent someone's house from being foreclosed. In fact, the main purpose of a Chapter 13 is to keep someone's house. When you file a Chapter 13, you get a period of time, up to 5 years, to make payments on your house. And during that period of time, you'll make payments on the arrearage as well as the underlying mortgage, so that when you exit bankruptcy, you've saved your house. Under Oklahoma law, a foreclosure can take several months. Once the creditor files the foreclosure lawsuit, it can be at least 3 to 4 months before the creditor can be to the point of being able to conduct a sheriff's sale to foreclose on the property. Once the sheriff's sale occurs, there's one more hearing that occurs after that. It's called a confirmation hearing. After the confirmation hearing, if you have not resolved your issues with the creditor, that's when you will lose your home. Because I mainly handle bankruptcy cases, there are a lot of people that come to me who are experiencing or about to experience foreclosure. And oftentimes we'll file bankruptcy, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, for the sole purpose of keeping the house out of foreclosure. Normally it is worth hiring an experienced attorney to help you work through a foreclosure process. A foreclosure is a lawsuit. So if you don't have any experience in litigation or a lawsuit, you're oftentimes you will not know what to do. So hiring someone that has experience in foreclosure and or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is very important. As your attorney, I can work with the creditor, the one conducting the foreclosure, to see if there's any way of resolving these issues without going through the foreclosure. If there's no way to resolve the matter through that process, then I can help you through a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. What goes into an initial strategy session is when someone contacts me, we set up the initial consultation. The initial consultation is free. During the initial consultation, I meet with the potential client. I ask them a set number of questions designed to figure out their situation, what's going on with them, and at the end of that meeting, hopefully, I understand their situation and I can give them the advice on whether they need to go through bankruptcy, whether they need to fight the foreclosure, whatever they need to do in order to keep their house. If you contact my office, I will be the one handling your case. I'll meet with you during the initial consultation, and then if we need to get involved in defending the foreclosure action, I will be the one handling it. If we need to go the bankruptcy route at Chapter 13, I will be the one handling your case.